Class 9. In this video we will discuss one poem. The poem is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Very nice poem it is, and the poem is about making choices. Uh, if you after passing higher secondary, you will have to choose your career. Either you may choose either engineering or medical science or administration or politics or so many profession are lying before you, and you have to select one because you cannot travel by you cannot do everything. Therefore this poem is about making choices in life. जीवन में हम कौन सा प्रोफेशन हमारे लिए सूट करेगा, ये यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे. देन द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा इज टू रोड्स डाइवर्स इन ए येलो वुड एंड सॉरी आई कुड नॉट ट्रेवल बोथ एंड बी वन ट्रेवलर long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. The poet was going somewhere, and from a particular point the road bifurcated into two directions and it entered the undergrowth. झाड़ियों में घुस गया. Entered the undergrowth. दो भागों में बट के एक रास्ते से जा रहे थे. Just you are traveling like a student, and after passing higher secondary you will have to choose either medical science or engineering. सिमिलरली आप ट्रेवलर जा रहे हैं और एकाएक दो रास्तों में बट गया. एंड नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स नाउ द पोएट हैज़ टू चूज एंड वन ऑफ द टू directions. The road had been bifurcated. Next, then it made the poet sorry because he could not travel by both the roads, and to be one traveler, to travel by one of the two roads, he started pondering over, सोचने लगा, and looked down the one of the two roads. First road he looked down and he found that it had entered undergrowth. ये एक रोड जो दो रोड जो बटे थे उसमें से एक रोड को देखा जो झाड़ियों में घुस गया था. दूसरा स्टेंजा, देन टुक द अदर जस्ट एज फेयर. दूसरे रोड को देखा, वो भी उतना ही सुंदर था. एंड हैविंग परहैप्स द बेटर क्लेम, बट द पोएट सेज इट इज़ ए बेटर क्लेम फॉर हिम. इट इज़ एंड ही shows his fascination, he shows his attraction towards the second road. क्यों? Why he is showing his fascination, attraction towards the second road? Because it was grassy and wanted wear. It was overgrown with grass. It means it was less used by the people, and the profession which is done by less people may be useful for any person. अगर जहाँ पर बहुत सारे राशन की दुकान है वहाँ पर राशन की दुकान ही खोल देंगे तो क्या फ़ायदा. तो वहाँ पर आपको दवा की दुकान खोलें, then it will be a better profession there where there are so many ration shops. Next is तो क्यों बेटर दो as far as that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Some travelers had passed through that second road, and to some extent they had cleaned the road, they had removed the grass. This is what the poet says. And both that morning equally lay. Third stanza, in that morning both the roads were equally lying before the poet. उस दिन सुबह दोनों रोड एक ही स्थिति में पोएट के सामने पड़े हुए थे. इन लीव्स नो स्टेप्स हैड ट्रोडन ब्लैक एंड nobody had travelled by either of the two roads. Had people travelled by either of the two roads, the leaves fallen on the roads would have become black. आप देखेंगे कि पत्ते अगर गिरे हुए हैं नीचे धूल में रोड पर और उस पर पैर रख देंगे तो थोड़ा सूखे हुए पत्ते अगर गिरे हुए हैं तो थोड़ा ब्लैकिश हो जाते हैं. बट नो लीव्स हैड टर्न ब्लैक. दिस वाज द एविडेंट that this is the evidence that nobody had gone through the road till then that morning. उस दिन सुबह उस समय तक कोई नहीं गया था. And I kept the first for another day, and the poet decided to travel by this second road, and he would come back and travel by the first one another day. Means you are as a career, you are selecting medical science, and you are making your mind to come back again and join engineering later in life. Is it possible? Not possible. Therefore, you see what the poet says: "It knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt it. If you join medical science, doors of development will open in that branch of study only. You cannot come back and join engineering." This is why the poet says, "It knowing how way leads on to way, one way. If you go one way, it will give you the clue to another way for success, to succeed in life. You cannot come back and again you will start the other way. Therefore, if you join engineering, it will open the door of success, several doors of success for you in engineering. You cannot come back and join medical, and if you join medical, you have to continue medical." Therefore, doubt created in the mind of the poet if he would be able to come back and travel by the first one. This is the cause of doubt. I shall be telling, last stanza, I shall be telling with a sigh. The poet tells, after somewhere ages and ages hence, after selecting one of the two choices, the poet will, after some ages, after some years, after the completion of his career, he will tell the people, with taking long breath, how he made his selection judiciously and was successful. He may also tell that how a great mistake he did in selection of his choice, and he failed. In both these situations, he will take long breath. He will sigh. He will tell the thing in sighing. Next is the two roads diverged. What he will tell? The two roads diverged, and he selected the one which led him to success or which led him to failure. In both the situation, he will take long breath. आहें भरेगा, अरे मैं अगर ये नहीं सेलेक्ट किया होता तो मेरी दशा ख़राब रहती, मैंने ये सेलेक्ट करके एक गलती कर दी, मेरी दशा ख़राब हो गई. इन both the situation, he will take long breath. Therefore, if you want to be different from others, your selection, your choice should also be different from others. तो ये पोएम आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा. इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग हैज़ बीन डिस्कस्ड इन दिस पोएम बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, ए ग्रेट अमेरिकन पोएट. तो वीडियो छोटा ही बनाना अच्छा है.